Always something to start the morning out. Not that cow, but a cow that was standing just the other side of her was having a fit. Because her calf, well, I don't know, I didn't get the number or the date on the tag, but I'm going to say 3 or 4 weeks old anyway, was down there. I just got him out. And I wasn't quick enough. Was I? Maybe I am. Yeah, the little twinny girl. And the little twin boy. Both catching breakfast this morning. And I don't know if you can see, middle of the screen, another one catching some breakfast. And I know there's a few more farther down, hiding behind all the other cows, a couple in the other barn. So, and Red would like to say, good Friday morning, everyone. It's Friday and he's a party dog. Yeah, right. He ain't no party dog. He's just a silly boy. Oh, Woody. And Brother Blue right there just chilling. Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can do it up close and personal. Say good morning, Mama. Oh, come on. We just did this without the camera. Eh, she's done. I'll go find a drier spot where it's a little warmer. Actually, I guess I can't complain. It ain't wet in here. Not this morning anyway. I doubt it will be because I don't think there's much condensation. Wind blew like hell all night. I went to come out of the trailer this morning, just got about pushed back in when I tried to open the door. So, anyway, we'll see how many things I can muddle through today. Look at this, working cows, and I'm not doing it. Heifers are getting shuttle multi-min, getting wormed, and getting their cow tags in their ears. And getting weighed while they're here. Number one decided there wasn't too many to do. Her and Tanner can do them, and that's fine with me. I've been trying to figure out some wiring on the sprayer. Got part of it figured out. Need some more stuff I don't have. But I figured I'd show you something here. I didn't plan on 10 minutes here. Cut the calf tag out. She just graduated to adulthood here in a second. Try for using the same hold if we can. And usually they'll stand here like this. Sometimes you got to put a halter on them. Oh, there she is. Next step to adulthood for her is here in about a month, getting introduced to the bull. And there, I don't know if she's got Epronix or looks like Epronix from here. So just a quick pour on, kick them out. At some point we probably still need to run all the cows, but sometimes we do it, sometimes we don't. Sometimes we use multi-min on them, sometimes we won't. But they'll all still have to get wormed here before too much longer. And the other thing, she's showing him there, trim the ear hair so you can find the tag. Because if you can't find the tag, you don't know who the hell it is. I have enough trouble reading tags around here. The yellow tags show up good with the black ink, but the blue tags, and then the blue tags, we've had trouble with them fading bad too. Even after being wiped with alcohol and done the way they're supposed to be done. So, anyway. They're done with her. They're just playing with her. Oh, I guess they're still cutting a little more hair. He's chicken, and she's trying to keep him from hurting the calves. So I shouldn't say he's chicken. First time he's ever done it, though. Change these back lights to these new skinny ones. That way I can take the spacer out. They sit in closer. Wired them up with a plug-in right there. My plan was to actually have the plug-in outside, but I wouldn't leave that much wire hanging out there. So if you got to change a light, you got to flip the lid up. Not that big of a deal. 2 wire loom running over here, jumpered into this one, and then that lays outside with the other one going to the front. At the front I've got old extension cord, aka 3 wire loom, 14 gauge. It's sticking up there. That's down in the cab, gonna go through the corner post out the bottom of the cab. 1 ground wire for all 4 lights up here. 1 hot wire for the field lights, which are these back here. And I'm putting another set of those up on those old mirror brackets. Probably won't be using them for a mirror anyway. We'll see. Always figure some way to figure it out. But I'm waiting on more plug-ins. I only had the 2. They come in sets like that, so. But the back is done with the exception of, I'm thinking I probably should poke a little hole in there and put a zip tie on. Do that where they cross, except for this one. Well, I can tie this one down and just leave that one lay. Keep it down so it's out of the way, and probably see if I can zip tie it to that other hot wire. We figured out what the wires down at the bottom go for. The only common wire is the dome light and the wiper, I think. Yeah, dome light, the wiper, and then the orange wire sticking out down there, that's the air conditioning clutch. So, pretty well got that figured out this morning. Just working on what I got stuff to work on with, you know. I still got to get this stuff done. Easier getting up and down here without the booms in the way, so, you know. I know, butterfly effect, I jump around from one thing to another, but, and by the way, I'm getting too damn old to keep climbing up on top of here. That's a hell of a frickin' step. Especially when you got to pack everything up here. But, this is what it is. Oh, and number 1, didn't think we had any of these. When she took things apart, this sits underneath. I found it laying here. She didn't do a very good job of cleaning. That's why it was still laying there. So she literally just bought 2 packets of 11 of those things at Napa on her way home tonight. So I don't mind having extras laying around. I used to have a lot of those little clips, but the only thing we might need is they use a cage nut in here clipped in from the bottom. I might need one of those, but I can make something work too. So she vacuums up here again. Maybe we'll finish getting this shit out of here. And this will all get put back together. And obviously somebody threw some silicone in here before, so that's probably going to be a good idea again. And these holes were just taped over. I don't know if that's the way to do it or not. I think that one's supposed to be for a speaker wire, because that's right where the speaker goes. And that's where the other speaker goes, so that one's probably for a speaker wire. I don't know what that one's supposed to be for. So I guess if we're going to run some speakers in here, probably better do it before we get everything done. Although I'm not opposed to putting speakers down in the corner on the floor either. Sometimes that works out better, just because you don't have all the headache up here. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'll throw, number 1 sent me 3 short clips this morning. She's got a cow at home they've been watching the last few days. Polished up really good there, isn't it? She finally had her calf this morning. So she sent me 3 clips of that, so I will throw them on here at the end. Yeah, you're right. I'm sitting on the top. So with that, I hope y'all have a great weekend. You know what I'm doing this weekend? Because she's supposed to be bringing that stuff back out. Actually, she's coming out to spend the night tonight. Her and her sister, they got to have their time together. So I will show you more tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll have them all on there and maybe have a bunch of other wiring done. I don't know. Either way, I'm rambling too damn much. So enjoy the clip of her new calf. And y'all have a great weekend.
Well, this was our surprise this morning. Well, not so much of a surprise. We figured last night or this morning. So it's our cow Limo. She's the kind of everything cross.
What?
And that's her baby. What's wrong with you now?
Nothing.
You're all right, Limo. You're all right, Mama. You're all right, Limo. Had to bring baby out here so I could tag and paste and dip and give shots. And I just got her up. Oh!
Whoop. And
We're gonna call her Flipper because I went in there and I shit you not. All I did was I was gonna go poke and give her one shot, and that calf literally flipped over at least twice and landed on its head. We're gonna call her Flipper. Or Flippy. Acrobatic one. We're gonna get her back to Mama.
this one's got a talent. More to the back. Keep going. More to the back.
Come on, Flipper. No, you gotta lean forward there, child. You gotta... Good Limo. Good Mommy. There you go, but back a little bit and down. Not up so high, kid. Manure balls are not very yummy. But you are eager to eat. It's literally the first time she's gotten up and she's finding out her sea legs, guys. Good Mama. Good Mama.
Oh, too far back.
Oh, there was a tit in your face and you missed it. Oh, we're excited though. Yeah, good Mama. Good girl. Yeah, good Mama.